Alright, first rates will just start coming up on your screen. It's a Tuesday morning. Remember, yesterday FII number was negative, which in a sense is going to push the bulls on a back foot. So there is going to be a pushback which will come from the bears. But we're off to a good start. We are above 15,000. And that is what it matters. What is happening in the world, it's not scary, but that annoying impact of US markets and bond yield and crude is surely not making a way for a real comeback or a roaring comeback by the bears. BPCL, well, the treasury shares would be sold. Normally these deals happen at a discount. The price discovery, I think, will happen after that. Well, what do you want to look at? You want to look at banks. I'll tell you why, because that's the high beta trade. Then you want to look at metals. That's the second high beta trade. Now the small and the mid cap indices have done exceptionally well for themselves in off late. That is something which is also worth considering again, which is that where exactly the small and the mid caps indices have settled. The small and the mid cap indices for the moment are off to a decent start. We continue to see outperformance which is there in the small cap space more than the mid cap space. So imagine a funnel, and the lower you go, higher the chance of outperformance are, and that is what the market messaging is. Post budget, if there is something which has been a durable trend, I think is the repositioning of some of the small and the mid cap stocks. Aisha?
Okay, a couple of other stocks besides BPCL Trust, which is looking to sell up to 4% shares via block deals, and it seems that initiation has already happened. Morgan Stanley saying that cement is at the cusp of a new cycle, make cement more attractive. Look out for those. You've also got a Lemon Tree wherein they've signed a license pact for a hotel in Nepal, so that's the other stock which is in focus. Blackstone, which has called off the Infosys stake sale, that is what reports seem to be indicating. And Wipro-backed Aperio is going to help the national grid transformation business. That is what reports are indicating right now. That said, you've got a couple of other names also which are going to be in focus, and real estate names, once again, more so the south-based developers. So Karnataka stamp duty for apartments valued between 35 to 45 lakhs has been reduced to 3% from the earlier 5%. Remember, when this happened in Maharashtra, it gave a big leg up to most residential sales in the city. And now with Karnataka as well, especially for the low ticket or the more affordable segment actually doing the same, is definitely going to give in some leg up to a Shobha, to a Prestige Estates, or for that matter Purvankara, wherein a large part of their sales comes in from the Karnataka geography. So these are a couple of stocks which are in focus. We're holding up quite okay. Nifty is steady so far, 15,100 here. IRCTC, another bump up on that stock. United Spirits holding up. Grasim, BOB, SBI Life are all names which are holding out quite smartly in trade as we speak. But